Portfolio Planner is an analysis tool to help users prioritize their projects. Users will be able to visualize which projects can be completed in their portfolio based on their resource capacity, and they can order, include, and exclude their projects based on the name of the project or a project attribute. In Tempus, you can report on live or model data. If reporting with model data, the Portfolio Planner will update in real time when changes are made to the model. Additionally, you can see which projects fit under the capacity line and which are above the capacity line. You can also order projects manually based on the project name or project attribute. You can also include or exclude projects within the report. To create a Portfolio Planner report, you'd want to navigate to Report Management and click on the Portfolio Planner option here. From here, you can give your report a name, give it a start and end date if you'd like. This is optional. Additionally, you can add a description and if it should be live or model data as well. You can also choose to show grid lines, what your granularity should be, year, quarter, month, or week, or also hours or FTE. From here, you can choose data series and add a new series. From here, you can choose allocation and a bunch of other data sets as well. So right now I'm just going to go with allocation. You can choose planned or actual or remaining, which is planned minus actuals. You can also aggregate by your project or by none, and then you can stack by your project attributes as well. So let's say I wanted to do epic priority here. You can see high, medium, and low here as well. And then let's say I wanted to change the project order. I can click here. I can choose which ones I don't want to focus on. So let's say I don't want to see any low ones. I can choose that to be out of my model here, my Portfolio Planner. And then I can also rearrange the order of my attributes as well. Additionally, I can choose if it should be bar, line, or area. I can choose to filter on my project attributes or my resource attributes as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and save this, and I'm going to go put in a new series as well for the base capacity. You also have these other options for your capacity, but I'm just going to start with base here. You also can filter on your resource filters because base capacity is a resource-centric area. You can also choose bar, line, or area. So I'm going to choose line. And you can see that line appear here, and I'm going to go ahead and save this as well. I'm also going to go ahead and change this to year. Okay, so if I go ahead and save this now, you'll be able to see a bigger chart here with, your different priorities, for example. You can also see the base capacity line. Anything under the line means that it is over capacity. Anything over the line is under the capacity. Here as well. You can also filter to make your report a little bit smaller, and you can go ahead and always update your report by clicking on these options here. So if I wanted to bring back in my low, I can click on this and go back in. I can also export this as well. I can go ahead and update this as well by clicking on that settings option. Additionally, we have a tabular area as well. This will show you the raw data that you can export to Excel.